Welcome to PhysTrackX, the ultimate toolkit designed to turn raw video into high-precision data with ease. Whether you're conducting physics experiments, analyzing high-speed motion, or synchronizing digital sensor displays, PhysTrackX delivers a seamless video analysis workflow. Let's walk through it step by step. Click Load to import your video. Once the proxy loads, click Trim to isolate your exact sub-video segment. Park your seek bar at the starting frame, then use Axis to set your coordinate origin and Ruler to define your physical scale. You can also pop open the Geometry plugin to quickly verify setup angles. Now for target tracking, click Rectangle and draw bounding boxes around your objects. PhysTrackX supports multi-object tracking, powered by a machine learning optical flow engine that holds lock even through aggressive motion. Hit Track, then scrub the timeline to watch your trajectory evolve with directional fading magenta trails. When finished, click Plot to inspect position, velocity, and acceleration curves, or click Save to export your raw CSV datasets. If your experiment includes live digital monitors, open Plugins and select OCR. Draw a box around the screen digits, hit OK, and start tracking. Our OCR engine extracts and synchronizes sensor values frame by frame alongside your physical tracking data. Once complete, save the data and see the file for readings. Download PhysTrackX at the link below to upgrade your video analysis workflow. Thanks for watching.